how to get special shop tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to get special shop tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So without further ado, let us begin. So getting shop tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket is quite simple but quite time consuming. So what you need to do is to just go to the shop over here, and then after that what you want to do is to just simply claim the daily gifts every day. So as you can see over here that under the daily gifts, as you can see that we could get a ticket right here for us to convert it into a special shop ticket. So click on the daily gifts, there you go. Then as you can see that we should get as many shop tickets as we can, because we'll be using this into converting it into a special shop ticket. So we will need at least 300 of these shop tickets so that we can convert into special shop tickets. So to claim these regular shop tickets, what you need to do is to just simply claim the daily gifts every day, or what you can do is it is obtainable by completing event missions or from step up battles. So yeah, so just do these missions right here instead of step up battles, and then you'll be able to claim these regular shop tickets. And after that, once you get 300 of those shop tickets, you can now buy these special shop tickets. So what can you do with those special shop tickets? So you can buy these Pokemon coins right here, card sleeves, a play mat, backdrop, and a cover. So if you want to buy these, make sure to save up on those shop tickets. So yeah, and then after that you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get special shop tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.